Hi, my name's Anastasia. I am the author of the Kind Earth Cookbook from kindearth.net, and today I wanted to show you how I make my favorite milky matcha drink from scratch using cashew nuts, matcha, coconut sugar and vanilla extract. It's really easy, and I started doing this because I just felt like I wanted to make my own signature matcha latte whenever I fancied, whether I had a batch of nut milk made up or not. And I don't really like nut milk or plant-based milks from the carton if I can help it. It's so much more vibrant if you can make your own, and as I'm going to show you, we can make it instantly. You can have your own matcha latte drink at home, hot, lush, delicious within a few minutes. One of the things I love about matcha is it has an exceedingly high antioxidant content. I looked at the statistics. So if you compare matcha to blueberries, then blueberries about here on the scale and matcha is just through the roof. So one of the highest antioxidant foods on the planet. So it's a really good thing to weave into your daily cuisine or weekly cuisine, or just have it. I have it maybe about 3 times a week. It also has an amino acid called L-theanine in it, and I discovered that a couple of years ago when I was looking into what is good for anxiety, what is good to help against anxiety, and L-theanine has an incredible way of helping to promote peace and calm, but it doesn't give you the drowsiness that you might get with other herbs. So big thumbs up for matcha. So let me show you how I make this. So what I'm basically going to do, I've got about 40 grams of cashew nuts. I'm going to put it in my blender, and then I've got 300 milliliters of spring water. Just make sure you either use spring water or filtered water. You know, the stuff that comes out the taps, that's all kinds of stuff in that's probably not good for health. So you pop that in. And then I want to add a good teaspoon of the matcha and a nice heaped teaspoon of coconut sugar, and you're going to want to vary that to taste. If you don't have coconut sugar, use any sweetener. I wouldn't use nasty regular refined sugar because it's had all the goodness stripped out of it. And then you want a nice teaspoon of vanilla extract. And that's pretty much it. So just bear in mind, you just want it to get it to your level of desirability. If you like things a bit sweeter, add a tiny bit more sweetener. If you like it a bit less. And then the same with the matcha. If you're not used to matcha, you might want to start small. You can also add other things into this as well, but that is for another story. Okay, so here we go. Let's blend away. Alright, so if you've got a high power blender, then about 45-50 seconds is going to do for that. And as you can see, it's really nice and frothy. Oh. And then you want to get a saucepan and just pour it in there. You do not want to overheat it. You don't want to boil it to death, because once you start bringing it up to that 100 degrees Celsius boiling temperature, it's actually going to separate that gorgeous cashew milk that you've created. So heating temperature is absolutely crucial in this process. Bring it up so it's perfect for drinking, but not overheated. So that's just been on the heat for about a minute, and it's absolutely perfect now. This is a really rich, creamy, nurturing, milky, vegan matcha drink. So remember, adjust the ingredients to your preferred consistency. You can add or take away virtually any of the ingredients that we've used here today, and that is absolutely individual, and everyone likes it in their own unique signature way. So cheers to you, and thank you for tuning in. If you like what you see here, please give this recipe a thumbs up. Come subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please do check out my website, kindearth.net, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.